Hi, this is Jen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the new Morphe 39s Such a Gem palette. This palette retails on the Morphe website right now for $35. The packaging is black and it is also cardboard. On the inside, the palette has 39 eyeshadows. It has matte and shimmer finishes, as well as we have one press glitter, and in the middle there are 7 of the larger size, which are called silk toppers. The silk toppers are an all-new formula from Morphe, and it says they glide on like a gel and then they set like a powder. I just unboxed this palette today and I created this eye look. In my crease, I use the color Bougie, which is a bright hot pink color. I also used the color Grape Mines, which is a bright purple matte. Those mattes, they were very pigmented and they blended very easily. On my outer V, I used this darker shade right here. It's a matte. It's called Make It Rain. On my lid, I went ahead and I used the color Lavender, which is a shimmer that went on very sheer. It took quite a bit to build that one up. On top of Lavender, I used one of the silk toppers, which is called Here For It. That added a nice duochrome effect to the shimmer shade that I used. On my lower lash line, I use a mix between Bougie and Grape Mines, and I kind of smoked that out some. Overall, I highly recommend this palette. It was definitely worth the $35, and I will for sure continue to make more looks using this palette. Please let me know what you think. Thanks.